Before installing the MIUI 10 on your Poco F1, make sure to install the custom recovery. If you don't know how to do that, then check out the links given in the description of the video. The first step is to download the MIUI 10 zip file from the links given in the description of the video. Once you do that, power off your phone. Once the phone is completely turned off, press the volume up button and the power button simultaneously for few seconds. Your phone will be taken into the TWRP mode. Now tap on Wipe, Advanced Wipe, select Dalvik, System, Data and Cache. Now swipe to Flash. Now go back, tap on Install, select the downloaded zip file and swipe to Flash. The flashing will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the flashing is completed, tap on Reboot System. Your phone will be taken into the MIUI 10. Let us see what's the new changes that we get in MIUI 10. You get a new customized volume keys. Also you get a new customized recent tiles. This is really good. And you get a new notification panel which is fully customizable. Let's go to Settings, About Phone. You can see that the latest version of MIUI 10 is installed on my Poco F1. That's it about this video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.